Be ready for our dictation. Passage number 3, part number 2. Matter on listing of cases selectively. Be ready and start. We take judicial notice of the fact that a large number of petitions are filed which are defective. Still, the insistence is made to list them, and mention is made that they should be listed urgently. Stop. It happens in a large number of matters, and unnecessary pressure is put upon the assistants dealing with the cases. Stop. We find due to mistakes, carelessness, when petitions with defects are filed, it should not be expected that they should be listed instantly. Stop. To err is human, and there can be an error on the part of the dealing assistants to stop. This is too much to expect perfection from them, particularly when they are working to their maximum capacity even during the pandemic. Stop. The cases are being listed. Stop. It could not be said that there was an inordinate delay in listing the matters in view of the defects. Stop. The court functioned during the lockdown. The cases were scanned and listed by the registry. Stop. The staff of this court is working despite danger to their life and safety caused due to pandemic, and several of the dealing staff as well as officers have suffered due to COVID-19. Stop. During such a hard time, it was not expected of the petitioner, who is an officer of this court, to file such a petition to demoralize the registry of the court. Instead of recognizing the task undertaken by them even during pandemic and lockdown period. Stop. Para. We see in general it has become a widespread practice to blame the registry for no good reasons. Stop. To err is human, as many petitions are filed with defects, and defects are not cured for years together. Stop. A large number of such cases were listed in the recent past before the court for removal of defects which were pending for years. Stop. In such situation, when the pandemic is going on, baseless and reckless allegations are made against the registry of this court, which is part and parcel of the judicial system. Stop. We take judicial notice of the fact that such evil is also spreading in the various high courts, and registry is blamed unnecessarily for no good reasons. Stop. It is to be remembered by worthy lawyers that they are the part of the judicial system. They are officers of the court and are a class apart in the society. Stop. Regarding exemplary behavior from members of noble profession in R. so and so versus the Registrar General of the High Court of Judicature at Madras, writ petition within bracket C number 612 of 2016, the court observed concerning the expectation from gentlemen lawyers thus. Para. The role of lawyer is indispensable in the system of delivery of justice. Stop. He is bound by the professional ethics and to maintain the high standard. Stop. His duty is to the court, to his own client, to the opposite side, and to maintain the respect of opposite party counsel also. Stop. What may be proper to others in the society may be improper for him to do, as he belongs to a respected intellectual class of the society and a member of the noble profession. The expectation from him is higher. Stop. Advocates are treated with respect in society. Stop.